Hey everybody, Jeremy here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to prepare your diesel for winter. A few simple tips and tricks can make a big difference in the dependability of your diesel as cold weather sets in. Start by having your battery or batteries and alternator tested. The heat of summer can weaken batteries, and weak batteries often die once the cold sets in. In addition to that, a bad alternator won't keep your batteries charged. O'Reilly Auto Parts will test them both for free. So stop by before it gets cold to make sure they're strong enough to make it through winter. If your diesel has glow plugs, it's important to check them before it gets too cold. Since they're designed to help with cold starts, it's not likely you'll know they're failing until it gets cold and your vehicle won't start. Check out our video on how to test your glow plugs. As extreme cold sets in, be sure to use your block heater. If your vehicle isn't equipped with one, it's a worthwhile investment, especially if you live in an environment that gets sub-zero temperatures. Like glow plugs, you probably aren't going to know your block heater isn't working until you need it to work. You can test it with a multimeter to make sure it's functional. Just clean the prongs on the plug, then attach the leads of your multimeter to the prongs. The manufacturer will specify the optimal output in ohms. In extreme cold, it's possible for diesel fuel to gel. Different diesel fuels reach this point at different temperatures, usually between 32 and 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Using an anti-gel diesel fuel additive in the winter can help keep this from happening. There are also additives available for emergencies when your engine won't start because of iced or gelled fuel. Know the manufacturer's recommendations for the chemicals that are ideal for your engine. The most common ice or gel point for diesel fuel is at the fuel filter. Changing your fuel filter or filters before winter doesn't guarantee you won't get frozen fuel there. But starting winter with clean filters and draining the water separator helps minimize the risk. Check out our video on how to replace diesel fuel filters. Also, consider using a lightweight engine oil during winter, preferably synthetic oil. Conventional, heavier weight oils thicken up in cold temperatures, which can affect its ability to flow. Be sure to follow manufacturer specifications for the engine oils you use in your vehicle. And that's it. You can find any of the supplies you need to prepare your diesel for winter at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.